Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your personal GitHub account into an organization or business account. So to do that, you want to go ahead and click on your account on the upper right hand side and just simply click in settings. Now under the settings section, look towards the left and you'll find organization. So if you click on that, you will see it says transform account. Turn this current account into organization. So you just want to go ahead and click on that, and you want to scroll down and simply click and turn that into an organization, right? And as you can see right here, you will need to go through three different steps right here. So here you will create an organization. Here you can say whatever you need to fill in, then go ahead and ensure that you select all the details here, confirm it. Then it's going to wait for the transformation, and then you'll be able to sign in, right? So that's how you'll be able to do it, guys. It's a very straightforward process, guys, as you can see, and this is how you'll be able to quickly do it. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.